Imagine this, you're waking up on a crisp morning in the middle of a forest. You slide open the side door, step outside with a hot cup of coffee, and behind you your family is still comfortably sleeping in a campervan that somehow fits for full beds, a surprisingly spacious bathroom, and a silky smooth 9-speed automatic gearbox. Now, let's be honest, when you hear small luxury campervan, you probably think tight corners, compromises, and squeezing into a tiny washroom. But what if I told you this van breaks every single one of those stereotypes? Today, I'm going to take you inside one of the most cleverly designed compact motorhomes on the market. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you might just start imagining your next road trip in a van like this. From the outside, this campervan looks sleek, modern, and surprisingly understated. It's built on a reliable chassis, compact enough for city driving, yet tall enough to give you that real motorhome presence. The clean lines, premium paint finish, and aerodynamic shape make it look more like a luxury touring vehicle than a bulky RV. LED daytime running lights up front, smooth curves on the body panels, and subtle chrome touches all hint at the fact that this isn't just about function, it's about lifestyle. And yes, it comes equipped with a 9-speed automatic transmission, meaning whether you're gliding through highways or climbing mountain passes, the drive feels effortless. Step inside and the first thing that hits you is space. For a small campervan, this feels shockingly roomy. The designers have maximized every single corner, and it's all wrapped in light-toned upholstery, soft LED ambient lighting, and high-quality finishes. You don't get that claustrophobic boxy vibe here. Instead, you feel like you've walked into a modern boutique hotel room, only it's on wheels. Now, let's talk about the most mind-blowing part. For beds. Up front, cleverly hidden above the driver's cab, there's a drop-down bed that can be lowered when needed. It's full-sized, comfortable, and perfect for kids or guests. In the middle lounge area, the dinette transforms into another double bed, giving you flexibility for family or friends. Towards the rear, you'll find 2 more cleverly arranged sleeping options. Depending on the layout, it can be a set of twin beds that convert into a king, or stacked bunks for kids. No matter how you slice it, you have genuine sleeping space for people without feeling cramped. And trust me, that's rare in vans this size. Now here's the part that really makes this campervan stand out: the bathroom. Most compact vans give you a wet bath where the toilet and shower share the same tiny square. But in this luxury design, you actually get a spacious washroom with a separate shower area with glass doors, a proper flush toilet with space around it so you're not bumping elbows, a sink with storage for your toiletries, and enough standing room for a tall adult to shower comfortably. It's the kind of bathroom you'd expect in a larger motor home, but here it is, inside a compact campervan. Moving into the kitchen again, space is used brilliantly. You get a 2-burner stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mid-sized fridge with freezer compartment. There's storage for pans, spices, and even a small oven option depending on the model. The living and dining area is flexible too. A wide table slides out, and the captain's chairs up front swivel around to join the lounge. Picture yourself sharing dinner with your family after a day of hiking, or working on your laptop while sipping coffee with a panoramic window view. And let's not forget, the journey is half the experience. With that 9-speed automatic gearbox, driving this campervan is smooth, efficient, and way less tiring than old-school manual RVs. You can cruise on highways at comfortable RPMs, saving fuel. And when you hit winding mountain roads, the gearbox shifts effortlessly to give you the right amount of torque. Combine that with modern driver assist features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors, and you get an RV that's just as easy to drive as a big SUV. Of course, what's a campervan without clever storage? Here, you'll find overhead lockers throughout the cabin, a full wardrobe for clothes, underbed compartments for bulkier items, and even an exterior garage space big enough for bikes, folding chairs, or outdoor gear. This means you can actually pack for weeks of travel. without cluttering up the living area. But this isn't just about beds and storage, it's about lifestyle. So let's talk about the little touches that make this feel premium. Soft close drawers and cabinets, ambient LED lighting you can dim at night, USB ports and 230-volt outlets at every corner, high-quality mattress foam for restful sleep, and insulated windows with blackout blinds, so you can sleep in even when the sun is shining outside. It's the kind of detail that makes life on the road not just possible but comfortable. Now, some of you might be wondering, how does this compare to bigger RVs? Well, larger motorhomes might give you more open space, but they're harder to park, heavier on fuel, and less nimble. What's unique here is that you get big motorhome comfort in a small footprint. For beds, a proper bathroom, and luxury touches all in something you can still park at a grocery store. And compared to smaller campervans, this one stands out because of that dedicated bathroom and the 9-speed automatic gearbox. It's a rare combo that makes long trips stress-free. Now I've got to ask you, if you were heading out on a cross-country trip, would you rather have a campervan like this compact but full of surprises, or a bigger RV with more space but less flexibility? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. So there you have it, a small luxury campervan that sleeps for, has a full-size bathroom, and delivers a smooth ride with its 9-speed automatic transmission. It's proof that you don't have to go big to travel in comfort. You just need smart design and the right balance of features. If this van sparked some travel dreams for you, imagine where you'd take it first. Would it be a mountain escape, a coastal road trip, or a hidden forest campsite? Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more reviews of unique campervans and motorhomes, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with a friend who dreams of life on the road. Until next time, travel smart, travel free, and I'll see you in the next one.